This is my 97 F-150.
And this is my Romeo Block 4.6 liter V8 that I'm going to be building without knowing how to do it and with no machinery. So, wanna stick around and watch? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a 4.6 liter 2-valve V8 out of a 96 Crown Victoria. Now I know I haven't been sticking to any sort of series like the Jetta. That's gone, that's a whole other story. But we're going to rip this thing apart and we're going to build it. Now, other than that, yes I know, series, haven't really been doing. But this one, I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I'm actually gonna stick it through and I just gotta figure out how to get this up here without an engine stand. Now what we're doing with this motor is we're gonna completely build this motor in my garage. As you can see, there is no machines, no jacks or, well, engine hoists or anything. I mean, up there, I've got fishing rods. So I literally picked this up for 50 bucks. I picked this up for $350 with the transmission, which I don't need it, so I'm just gonna sell it and hopefully make money back from it. We're gonna put PI heads on it, we're gonna put forged internals, and a turbo kit. Now, do I have money for it? No, absolutely not. But we'll figure it out. First step is we gotta figure out how to get this on this $50 engine stand. I do have a transmission jack that I borrowed from a friend like a year and a half ago and haven't given it back to him yet. I don't know, but I don't think it goes tall enough. I have an idea. All right. Ladder. So I guess the plan is going to be put it on this ladder. I'm gonna get behind you. Put this metal bar on this end of the ladder and squat it and slide it in. I think I need to give it this step. Okay. Golly, this is a hefty motor. Golly. Go back to the tire. We were pretty close, but couldn't quite get it. Dang. It doesn't help that there's still oil in this thing and coolant. Okay. So my buddy's transmission jack is, I think, what is going to be the move. Hopefully it'll get up high enough and allow us to get it on there. with this and the way. I just realized my light's not this is a terrible idea. But it is a idea. The down position is quite difficult. Plus, I have no idea how much this is. Let's just dude. In case it decides to come crashing down. We're doing motor. Because the car fell on. All or nothing. Is that freaking tire on me? Daggone, dude. I think I might need to call backup. If it goes to fall, just lay it back on the floor, or on the tire, I guess. Okay. Well, you ready?
Yeah. Wait. Let me see if I can.
Are we gonna try squat it or just?
I was gonna try squat. If you want to try
I
deadlift.
don't know if I can get up under
If
it.
you can't get under it, I can try deadlift.
Okay. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
That was easy.
First
Let's
try!
go.
Let's
Let's
go! Huh?
So now it's flashed on.
Oh, it's not on there all the way.
What?
Oh, shoot.
Wait.
Alright,
Gotta push it in.
I want you to kind of lift it up and push in. I'm gonna hold this still and pull.
Hold up. Where do I grab here?
It's just anywhere on the bottom.
Alright.
Push up and put. Yep. Oh, there we go.
Okay. That work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now after finally getting it up here and flipping it over and spilling more oil and coolant everywhere, we can start taking it apart. Rip everything off of this motor and break it. So this is trash. We pull this off, get it out of the way. Okay. Now that I didn't have to go back and get those, let's pull this off and see. Oh, I gotta go get it. Let's see what the quality of these main bearings in the lower end of this motor is. Hey y'all, I just wanted to talk to y'all a second. As I was working on this motor, I just started thinking to myself, you know, our lives are a lot like this motor. We start out with a lot of endurance and we start out feeling brand new, but as life goes on and things start to hit us, we start to slow down and feel worn out. But just like this motor, it's being rebuilt into something new. So I just want to read to y'all a little bit. This is 1 Peter chapter 1, verses 6 and 7. So truly be glad, there is wonderful joy ahead, even though you must endure many trials for a little while. These trials will show that your faith is genuine. It is being tested as fire tests and purifies gold. Though your faith is far more precious than mere gold, so when your faith remains strong through many trials, it will bring much praise and glory and honor on the day Jesus Christ is revealed to the world. Even though you might be going through a trial right now, stay strong, keep in the Word, and you'll make it through stronger than you were before. So, quite a bit of sludge down there. Oh well, it's fine. We're getting new bearings, we're getting a new crank, we're getting everything. So, we'll pick up and pump need to come off. It's like 8 mil there, which I believe the 8 mil is on my bathroom counter. So let me just go ahead and you off, which there's nothing in the mesh, so nothing too big, nothing catastrophic. I'm sure this motor was relatively healthy. Now, it was a Crown Victoria, so it doesn't really matter. It's just gonna run. Anyways, I'm gonna go grab my 8 mil off of my bathroom counter. Okay, so I've got my 8 millimeter. Let's go ahead and take it apart. All right. And you off. Get off our pickup tube. There goes the pickup tube. That's what we need for the oil pump. 8 mil. It's actually a pretty nice looking oil pump. Looks much better than the 330,000 mile oil pump I got over here. Now that we got this off, let's take the pistons out first. Let me grab my paint marker so I can keep track. Alright, we're gonna leave the crankshaft in there so that it doesn't warp before I sell it. So she's gonna stay right there for now. And then we'll come back to it later. Now let's get these engine mounts off. Oh. Taking off the extension.
All right.
Oh, come on. There we go. All right, let's get that other engine mount off. Oh my gosh, this one's tricky. Whoa. Golly. Okay, that one's not coming off. Don't you love it? I'm saying everything's going great. And then I go, it's gonna bite me. Well, here it is biting me. All right. Here we go. There we go. Easy peasy. All right. Engine mounts are off. Now pretty much I just gotta clean it up so I can paint it. Alright guys, that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you will stick around for part 2. We're gonna actually be cleaning this up, maybe getting new heads, and smoothing the surfaces. Can't say machining because I'm not gonna machine them. I'm gonna show y'all something that I saw, I don't even know how long ago, that hopefully will work. There's only one way to find out, and if it does, it should hopefully, or it should be free or super cheap. So I hope y'all stick around for that on how to resurface your heads and your block. And then I guess we'll start getting stuff to throw this back together.